I put in this Della split unit air conditioning system all by myself. It wasn't too hard either. This is the remote. It works really good too. You can see it turn on here. It's got all the specs over here on the side. Looks like one of the stickers. Yeah, this is a QR code. But anyways, it works really good. It cools down this room. I can't believe how quickly it cools down the room. My power bill actually went down when I switched from a window unit to one of these split units. And the best part is I installed it all by myself. I'm handy and know electrical and that type of stuff, so it wasn't too hard for me. I'll show you the outside unit. It also has heat and air conditioning and defrost mode. This is the outside unit. I bought these wall mount brackets extra just so I could mount it up off the ground, and just drilled a hole and put the cables through. Wasn't too bad. It took me, maybe 4 hours, 3-4 hours or something. Wasn't too bad at all. If you need a air conditioner, this is definitely one I would recommend. It's worked great for us. Thanks.